Right, that's a tough one. I can't say I really have a favorite item of clothing, but I'm going to tell you about a t-shirt I bought on holiday when I was in Greece last summer. It was kind of a spontaneous decision. I was having a stroll by the beach, and actually I was just looking for some sort of protective sun hat, but then I spotted this striking t-shirt. I think it was the combination of blue and white colors which represented the Greek flag. But it wasn't tacky or cheap looking like a typical souvenir t-shirt. Anyway, I decided to buy it there and to have it as a reminder of my holiday. So why do I like it? Well, I couldn't say it's the most fashionable item of clothing I own, but like I said, it reminds me of my holiday in Greece. Whenever I wear it, it just brings back memories of the sun, the sand, the sea, and the wonderful food. I also like it because it goes well with all my other clothes, my jeans, trousers, and jackets. And I can wear it anywhere. When I'm relaxing at home, when I'm out with my friends, anywhere except, of course, at a formal event, in which case I'll probably wear something more elegant. But generally, I'm not really into formal clothes.